What is going on, everybody? It is Fitz and the Skyline back here with another video. Today is kind of a special day. It's Monday. If you haven't seen my last video that actually went up this morning, but it is time to go pick up my coilovers. So again, just if you guys are excited, let me know down in the comments below. We're not putting them on today because I still need to order Camber, but when I order Camber, put them on, Camber gets here, put that on, we'll be good to go. But enough talking, let's go pick them up. You know what I hate about iPhones is that one U2 album is downloaded, just put on our phones. So every time, if I don't like select music before I get in here, it just starts singing U2, which is, it's awful. But let's go pick up some coilovers. All right, well, I'm back. I picked up the coilovers just like that. They're in the trunk. So if you haven't seen Monday's video where we connected the blow-off valve, first of all, you should go watch it and just know what I'm talking about right now. But two, I'm pretty sure I'm just gonna put it all back together so I don't have any issues and it makes the flutter noise and my car just runs how it's supposed to. So anyways, let's get out and show you guys what I got. Kind of forgot to do this. You tell what they are? No? Okay, good. All right, so I got D2s. Here they are, kinda. For my, wait for it, 300CX, right there. Yo, yeah, you guys like that? So, if you didn't know by now, I've probably mentioned this a couple times, that Skylines and 300ZXs share a lot of similar parts. One of those being suspensions, suspension, arms, coilovers, stuff like that. The only difference that I have to look for in this is just make sure that the rear coilovers have a fork. So I told Tristan that. He actually asked me that question initially. Shouldn't have a problem, but let's get into these things. All right, we're good to go. Forks in the rear. So exciting to finally have coilovers. I love the purple, by the way. The purple is beautiful. Update, the D22 will be back. So I just got tired of it. I was like, dude, I'm just gonna knock it out. Took literally all of like 5 minutes. Again, I'm not that mechanically inclined, but things get faster every time. So I encourage you guys to just go out and try it. Just try it. If you mess it up, oh well, there's a way to fix it. Replace it, whatever needs to happen. But we got this back on. There should be like 3 bolts to take each coilover out, 2 on top, 1 on the bottom. I don't know what else I have to take out or off or anything. Like I said before, I'm gonna go right now and watch a video and see if I want to get into this tonight. All right, so what is going on, everybody? It is Friday afternoon, the day that this video should be going up. Actually, we'll see if that actually happens tonight. But behind me, you can see front camber parts. And outside, delivered this morning, rear camber parts. So I'm gonna open them, show you what I got, upload this video, and then I think I'm having some friends come over tonight or tomorrow after work, and we're just gonna knock this thing out. I still don't know if I'm gonna split it up. I kind of want to make multiple videos out of this, like how to install the rear camber, how to install the front camber, how to install the coils, and then have one video overall, more from like somebody who's just interested in my channel standpoint compared to people who are looking how to install this stuff. So let's bring this inside, open it, and see what we got. So here we have 2 very, very expensive boxes. The smaller one right here. These are my front uppers, front upper controller. Okay, I'm gonna stop messing with this because it's falling apart. Number 2. All right, hold on. Number 2, we have my rear lower control arms. very, very good quality. That's part of the reason why I went with GKTECH instead of another brand. But yeah, man, I'm so excited to get these in here. Probably gonna try to have Carmelo to come over if he can, because he knows what he's doing. You saw the coils, you saw the camber parts. Now it is time for me to upload this video, and the next video you will see has something to do with me getting my car fitted. So I will see you guys in the next one.